For the last 2 years, the biggest work we've done is making the customer data portable across the institution as the starting point. So much of that is in how it's collected. Data is not collected in a way that can be shared. And I'll go as far as to say outside of Solo, that's the case. There's no lineage to it. Even going as simple as an address. You have a different address reported in Experian, and then the one that the bank shares is different, and you're trying to understand where the discrepancy happened. If you double click in and are able to see, well, they requested 2 utility bills. And that's how that data got to the core. That's a much more trusted way for the bank to consume the data than just saying, well, we pulled it from the core. Who pulled it? Who pulled it from the core, and how did it get there?
Just to emphasize why that's important, if I can trust the lineage of the data, then I don't have to go through the manual step of going, I can't trust this. I should just have the customer submit another utility bill to me, right? So like when we say trust, what we mean is trust allows us to not redo the work that we don't want to redo again and force the customer and us to go through all that work and expense again. That's what trust is, right? Is I can rely on this other thing because I understand the lineage of it. It meets a standard that I can be comfortable with. Therefore, I don't have to ask this question of the customer for the 1,000th time.
If most banks today cannot even pull up customer memory and then reuse that to make a decision on a different product, which is at the core what Solo solves for, they definitely can't do that across institutions. And that's just architecturally. Then you have the economic incentives, which I know you know. I have a lot of opinions about.